Hey guys, this is Mel. So you want to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2024? Well, you've come to the right place. Whether you're camera shy or just prefer staying behind the scenes, a faceless channel can be the perfect way to share your passions and insights with the world. First things first, let's talk about your niche. What are you passionate about? Gaming, cooking, storytelling, or maybe something unique like minimalist living? Your niche is crucial because it defines your channel and attracts a specific audience. Now, onto the technical side, creating your content without showing your face. Think about using voiceovers, like I'm doing now, or maybe text on screen if you're not comfortable recording your voice. Screen recording is a great tool if you're into tutorials or digital reviews. Let's not forget about the visuals. Even without your face, your videos need to pop. Use high-quality images, engaging animations, or video clips that relate to your topic. There are great sites out there where you can get free or paid stock footage and images. Audio is another critical aspect. Since your face won't be on screen, your voice or the music you choose carries a lot of weight. Invest in a good microphone, and make sure your background tunes aren't too overpowering. Soft and gentle is the way to go, just enough to add that vibe but not overshadow your voice. Engaging your audience is key, especially for us Gen Zers. Encourage viewer interaction by asking questions and suggesting they leave comments. Maybe run some polls or start a challenge related to your niche. Interaction boosts your channel's visibility and helps build a community. Lastly, consistency is your best friend. Set a realistic schedule for posting new content and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, consistency helps keep your audience engaged and looking forward to more. There you have it. Starting a faceless YouTube channel might seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can be incredibly rewarding. Dive in, stay true to what you love, and keep evolving your content. Can't wait to see what you all create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss a video. See you next time.